go and kill Pierre because he's a fucking...
Hola, and welcome back to Ghetto Spanish Chef. Now today, we have a very special... Well, we have a guest. Say hello to Marie from Haiti.
Dominicano.
Haiti.
Dominicano. Dominicano. Sac passe! Today we are going to make legume and sauce pois, one of my favorites. It's favorite.
Yes, but since this is my show and I don't really care what the Asians eat, we're going to make cereal y adobo. Okay, so tell the people at home, what is it we do first?
First, go and kill Pierre because he's a fucking terrible boyfriend.
Experiencing technical difficulties, we apologize for the inconvenience and if you have a lying, cheating scumbag boyfriend like Pierre.
Sauce pois.
Rice and beans.
Legume.
Salchichon.
Hey everybody, Serious Loud Danny here. I hope you're enjoying the video, and I'd love to tell you that this is the part of the skit where Marie and Ghetto Spanish Chef finally make up and all those bad relationships between Haitians and Dominicans are solved through cooking, but that'll just be a straight up lie. So, whoop his ass!
Thanks for tuning in to Ghetto Spanish Chef, or as I like to call it, Le Bon Pain. And Pierre, if you're watching this, you better take this as a warning. Tune in next time. You fucking cheated on me, Pierre. Leave me alone.
Yo, God.
It's still rolling.
No, it won't work. It means to me again. Oh.